Welcome back to our channel, Woodworking Wonders. Today, we're going to take you through the step-by-step process of woodworking so you can create your own beautiful projects. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this video will guide you through the essential steps. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Design and planning. Every great project starts with a plan. Take some time to brainstorm and design your woodworking project. Consider the dimensions, proportions, and functionality. Sketch out your ideas, noting measurements and joinery details. Step 2. Material selection. Now that you have a design, it's time to choose the right wood for your project. Consider factors like strength, appearance, and suitability for the intended purpose. Pick a wood type that matches your vision and meets your project's requirements. Step 3. Measurement and marking. Accurate measurements are crucial in woodworking. Use measuring tools like tape measures, squares, and marking gauges to mark the dimensions and angles on your wood pieces. Precision here will ensure a successful project. Step 4. Cutting and shaping. It's time to bring your design to life by cutting and shaping the wood. Use appropriate tools such as handsaws, power saws, or routers to follow your marked lines. Always prioritize safety and wear protective gear when using power tools. Step 5. Joinery. Joinery refers to the methods used to connect wood pieces together. Choose the appropriate technique for your project, such as butt joints, miter joints, dovetail joints, or mortise and tenon joints. Strong and well-executed joinery is key to the stability of your piece. Step 6. Assembly. With your pieces cut and joinery prepared, it's time to assemble your project. Follow your design and carefully join the pieces together. Secure them using clamps, screws, nails, or other fasteners. Double-check alignment and fit to ensure a solid structure. Step 7. Sanding and smoothing. Now that your project is taking shape, it's time to refine its appearance. Use sandpaper or power sanders to smooth out rough edges, surfaces, and imperfections. Begin with coarse grit sandpaper and gradually progress to finer grit for a polished finish. Step 8. Finishing. Protect and enhance the natural beauty of the wood by applying a suitable finish. Choose from stains, varnishes, paints, or oils. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application and drying times. Apply multiple coats if desired, sanding between coats for a smooth finish. Step 9. Final touches. Give your project that extra flair by adding any additional details or decorative elements. Consider carving, routing, or inlay work. Don't forget to install any necessary hardware, such as hinges, handles, or knobs. Step 10. Inspection and cleanup. Take a step back and inspect your completed project for any flaws or issues. Make any necessary adjustments or repairs. Once you're satisfied, clean up your workspace, removing wood shavings, sawdust, and excess materials. And there you have it. The 10 essential steps of woodworking. By following these steps, you can create stunning and functional projects with your own hands. Remember to prioritize safety throughout the process and enjoy the journey of bringing your woodworking ideas to life. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips, tutorials, and inspiration. Until next time, happy woodworking!